Why start a mindful meditation routine?
Mindful meditation offers proven benefits like reduced stress, improved focus, and greater emotional balance. Building it into your daily life helps you feel calmer and more resilient. Even just a few minutes each day can make a positive difference. Starting a consistent routine is the key to experiencing these lasting mental health benefits.
Finding the best time and place.
Choose a regular time when you can meditate without distractions, such as after waking up or before bed. Create a comfortable spot, even if it's just a chair or cushion in a quiet corner. Consistency in timing and location helps build your new habit and signals to your mind that it's time to focus.
Setting your intention and goals.
Decide what you want from your meditation routine. Is it to reduce anxiety, sleep better, or simply pause during a busy day? Setting a clear intention provides motivation and focus. Start small, aiming for just 5 to 10 minutes daily, and gradually increase your time as you become more comfortable.
Simple techniques to get started.
Begin with basic mindfulness meditation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring attention to your breath. Notice each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently return focus to your breath without judgment. Guided meditations or meditation apps can help you stay on track and make the process easier.
Making mindfulness a lasting habit.
Track your progress by marking your calendar or using a journal. Celebrate small milestones to keep yourself motivated. If you miss a day, don't worry. Simply start again the next day. Remember, the most important part of any meditation routine is showing up consistently and being kind to yourself throughout the process.